Las Vegas may be famous for its nightlife and entertainment, but there's so much more to this city than meets the eye. From breathtaking natural beauty to awe-inspiring architectural masterpieces, Las Vegas is full of stunning sights waiting to be discovered. Stick around as we take you through the 10 most beautiful places in Las Vegas. Number 1 might just surprise you. Starting our list at number 10, Bellagio Casino and Fountain Show. The Bellagio is an iconic Las Vegas landmark, and its stunning fountain show is a must-see for any visitor. The fountains dance in perfect harmony to music, shooting water as high as 460 feet into the air. The combination of music, lights, and water creates a spectacular display that's hard to forget. Inside the Bellagio, you'll also find beautifully maintained botanical gardens that change with the seasons, offering a fresh and beautiful experience year-round. At number 9, we have Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. If you're looking for a natural escape from the neon lights of the city, Red Rock Canyon is the perfect destination. Located just a short drive from the Strip, this conservation area is home to some of the most breathtaking desert landscapes in the world. The towering red rock formations are a sight to behold, and the area is full of scenic hiking trails for outdoor enthusiasts. Coming in at number 8, High Roller Ferris Wheel. Standing tall at 550 feet, the High Roller Ferris Wheel is the world's tallest observation wheel and offers a stunning panoramic view of Las Vegas. Whether you take a ride during the day or at night, the views are nothing short of spectacular. As the sun sets, the entire city lights up beneath you, creating a magical experience you won't forget. At number 7, the Neon Museum. Las Vegas has a rich history, and the Neon Museum beautifully captures that history through its collection of vintage neon signs. Walking through this outdoor museum feels like a journey through time, as you're surrounded by the colorful and vibrant signs that once lit up the city. The Neon Museum is not only a tribute to the past, but it's also a photographer's dream. Next up at number 6, the Strip. The Las Vegas Strip is world famous for a reason. Lined with luxurious hotels and resorts, each more extravagant than the last, the Strip is a visual wonderland. By day, the architecture and design of the buildings are a sight to behold, but it's at night when the Strip comes alive. The neon lights, digital billboards, and stunning displays create a magical atmosphere that's unlike anywhere else in the world. At number 5, Fremont Street Experience. Fremont Street blends vintage Las Vegas with modern technology in the most beautiful way. The Fremont Street Experience features a massive LED canopy that covers several blocks of the pedestrian mall, showcasing incredible light shows throughout the day. The vibrant displays of color, combined with live entertainment, create an immersive atmosphere that draws visitors in. At number 4, Paris Las Vegas Hotel and Eiffel Tower. Transport yourself to the City of Lights without ever leaving Vegas at the Paris Las Vegas Hotel. This resort's half-scale replica of the Eiffel Tower offers stunning views of the Strip, and the French-inspired architecture gives the whole place a charming, romantic vibe. Whether you're admiring the Eiffel Tower from the ground or taking in the view from the top, it's a breathtaking experience. Taking the number 3 spot, Caesar's Palace. Caesar's Palace is a masterpiece of Roman-inspired architecture, offering visitors a glimpse into the grandeur of ancient Rome with a modern twist. The opulent statues, fountains, and grand halls of Caesar's Palace are truly something to behold. The beautifully landscaped gardens and lavish pools add to the resort's beauty, making it feel like you've stepped into another world. At number 2, Hoover Dam. Just a short drive from Las Vegas, the Hoover Dam is one of the most impressive engineering feats in the world. The sheer scale of this structure is awe-inspiring, and the surrounding landscapes offer some of the most stunning views in the region. From the top of the dam, you'll have panoramic views of Lake Mead and the Colorado River, both of which are breathtaking. Finally, at number 1, Mount Charleston. For those looking to escape the heat of the desert, Mount Charleston offers a beautiful retreat just an hour outside of Las Vegas. With its cooler temperatures, lush forests, and scenic hiking trails, Mount Charleston feels worlds away from the city. The views from the top of the mountain are stunning, offering panoramic vistas of the surrounding desert and mountains. Las Vegas is truly a city full of surprises, offering beauty in so many forms. Whether you're captivated by the bright lights of the Strip or the natural wonders that surround the city, there's something for everyone to admire. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.